In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do lead scoring in HubSpot. We'll start from your HubSpot home screen and walk through creating a simple, effective scoring model you can turn on right away. From the home dashboard, open the marketing menu and choose lead scoring. Lead scoring is a way to assign points to your records, so sales and marketing can instantly see which leads or accounts are most likely to convert. Think of it as a prioritization system based on fit and engagement, so the right people get attention at the right time. Click Create Score. For this walkthrough, we'll build a score for companies. That means we're evaluating accounts rather than individual contacts. This can be especially useful for account-based motions or when multiple contacts roll up under one company. Choose Company Combined Score. Combined scores let you blend multiple signals, firmographic fit, behavior, and anything else you care about, into one roll-up number. This keeps things manageable and easy to interpret for your team. Select Create to open the editor. Now add a property group. Grouping helps you organize your rules into meaningful buckets, like ideal customer fit versus engagement. Clear grouping makes your model easier to maintain and audit later. Rename the score so it's obvious to everyone what it represents. In this example, we'll call it Ideal Customer. A clear, purposeful name sets expectations for how the score should be used. Add an object to this group and choose Company. We'll base our first rule on a firmographic property, annual revenue. Revenue is a strong proxy for deal potential and product fit in many business models, so it's a sensible starting point. If revenue signals the kind of customers you serve best, it deserves weight in your score. Pick the operator. Greater than, enter the revenue threshold that represents a strong fit for your business, and then assign the points. In this example, we'll add +20. Make sure the point value reflects how predictive this criterion is compared to other factors you plan to include. When you're happy with the setup, click Review and turn on. Take a moment to double-check the name, the property logic, the operator, the threshold, and the point value. Confirm that the wording matches your intent, that you're not accidentally overlapping with another rule, and that the weight feels right for your sales process. Finally, click Turn On. Your company score is now live and ready to guide prioritization. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.